Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! We hope you had amazing holidays, but winter is not over yet, and do-it-yourself presents are a great idea all year round. You probably have some holiday-themed molds that are left from Christmas cooking, so we'll be using them today. We are making very easy and cute Christmas tree soaps with melt and pour soap base. We are using Shea Butter soap base as it makes the skin very moisturized and soft, perfect for dry skin during winter times. A silicone form. We have this cute cookie mold with many different shapes, but we'll be using just the Christmas tree one this time. Soap colorant. We recommend getting green or blue, essential or fragrance oil. I'll be using lavender as it soothes dry skin and helps the small wounds and cracks on skin heal faster. Of course, as always, we'll need rubbing alcohol, heat-safe container, and a spatula. Let's get started. First of all, you need to cut the soap base into cubes if you have a solid block, or skip this step by buying the pre-cut cubes like these. Then measure how much soap you'll need. I usually put the cubes into the mold and add 1 or 2 more. Pro tip: after the first soap bar is ready, you can weigh it, and you will know exactly how much of the soap base you will need in the future. However, we recommend adding 10–20% more than the bar itself, because a lot of the soap base is left in the container itself. Put the soap into the double boiler and melt the soap base, stirring it occasionally. You can also melt it in the microwave using 30 seconds bursts. At first, we'll need a small portion of the white soap base to create this nice snow on our Christmas tree. Spray the mold with the rubbing alcohol. Take a small portion of the soap and pour it in the mold. Move the soap around the mold quickly and turn the mold upside down to remove the excess soap. Leave to harden, but it won't take long, maybe a couple of minutes, as the layer is very thin. Once the rest of our soap base is melted, add the fragrance and the colorant gradually. Depending on how strong you want the smell to be, add from 10 to 15 drops per 1 pound of soap base. Once you reach the desired shade, spray the mold with rubbing alcohol again and pour the soap base into the mold until the very top. Spray the surface with rubbing alcohol to remove bubbles and leave to harden. After 40 minutes or so, the soap is ready, perfect for you or your loved ones. If you enjoyed our video, hit like and subscribe for more melt and pour soap recipes.